Good day, dear colleagues. You are welcomed by the Resource Educational and Methodical Center for the Northwest Federal District on Training People with Disabilities for Higher Education, opened on the basis of Cherpovitz State University. Dear colleagues, allow me to present to you the results of our research in the development and testing of technical rehabilitation devices for people with disabilities. Currently, the Russian Federation has approved the concept of rehabilitation development until 2025, and the rehabilitation industry is developing very actively. We are facing various external challenges and internal practical requests that have determined the relevance of our research. Our recent developments include development and testing of a methodology for training people with significant disorders of the musculoskeletal system using devices based on a neurocomputer interface, rehabilitation of children with disorders of praxis and precise movement control, gamification for the formation of a digital footprint as a modern model of career guidance and professional self-determination for children of different age groups in the system of continuous education, creation of an eye tracker and watches, and development of the informational analytical portal Perspective Pro as a digital tool for supporting career guidance for individuals with disabilities and limited health abilities in an inclusive environment of the region, in particular the Vologda region. This study aims to develop a methodology for teaching people with significant musculoskeletal impairments using devices based on a neurocomputer interface. The research goal is to identify potential opportunities for correcting praxis and improving movements in cases of organic damage. The rehabilitation of children with praxis impairments and precise movement control. A computer program was developed based on diagnostic results. It was important to identify secondary impairments in the motor sphere and to develop software for the rehabilitation of children with nervous system and musculoskeletal diseases. An evaluation of the effectiveness of using computer games in the rehabilitation process for children with praxis impairments and precise movement control was conducted, and the resources and limitations of using virtual reality were determined. The completed scientific research grant allowed for the creation of a unique base for the social rehabilitation of children of different age groups based on gamification and the formation of a digital footprint. A model for modern career guidance and professional self-determination was created for children of different age groups in the system of continuous education. This model represents a digital platform for recording the digital footprint of each participant, which is formed during the conducted lessons. A platform has been created that includes a set of tools for recording the number of classes attended by each participant in the platform for each type of profession, and a mobile application has been created, written in Swift programming language for iOS operating systems and Java for Android. Xcode and Android Studio programming environments were used for development. This platform contains a rich digital gaming toolkit. For rehabilitation and education, the Eye Tracker mobile application has been created, which allows you to receive education information through a convenient, portable, and efficient tool. Currently, we continue serious work on improving the analytical portal Perspective Pro, where artificial intelligence is used to support the process of career guidance for people with disabilities and limited health opportunities in an inclusive educational space. The mission of this portal is to promote career guidance, education, and employment of people with disabilities and limited health opportunities, taking into account the specifics of the regional labor market, the requests and opportunities of portal users, employers, and government authorities. Presented for your attention are the evidence and patents that have secured the intellectual property rights to the development of this portal. Today, this portal is considered as a tool for assessing the real employment and education opportunities for people with disabilities in the Vologda region. The portal is viewed as a tool for digital support of an individual route of professional education and subsequent employment. The portal is used as a tool to support the mechanism of interaction between participants in the support of people with disabilities in obtaining professional education and assisting in subsequent employment. The main tasks and perspectives that we see in the development of the rehabilitation direction are interdisciplinary research, the development and patenting of rehabilitation devices, the development of methodologies, technologies for the use of devices, services in education, rehabilitation, and the description of best practices. Dear colleagues, thank you for your attention and we invite you to cooperate.